Hi everyone. So coronavirus has literally changed the way how we look at the world now. Social distancing, masks, sanitization, restricted movement, etc. has become the new normal and we have been adapting ourselves to this new environment now. With the opening of offices, it has become really important for organizations globally to make sure their workplace is safe and secure. And as leaders in office automation space, we have come up with some new product offerings that help in making workplaces not only safe and secure, but also makes them technologically advanced and modern. In this video, we'll be talking about our new product, Touchless Staff Attendance and Access with temperature scanning. As you can see on the screen with this new tablet, employee attendance is marked via facial recognition, mask compliance is checked, temperature scanning is done, and on the basis of which access is either approved or denied. It's super fast and it's done within 10 seconds. This 8-inch Android based tablet having an IP42 protection has first, inbuilt facial recognition technology to check whether a person is an employee or a stranger. It has an accuracy of 99.99%. Second, body temperature scanning capability and to raise an alarm if the temperature is more than the permissible limits. Third, mask compliance check, that is, a person is wearing a mask or not. Fourth, capability to integrate with access control system, be it turnstile, flag barriers or doors. Now let's see some of the videos of tablet in action. We have covered 5 main use cases in our videos here. First, employee checks in with mask compliance and normal temperature. In this, tablet will recognize the person through facial recognition and displays the name. Second, stranger check-in with mask compliance and normal temperature. In this, tablet will show the person as unregistered. Third, temperature is more than the permissible limit. In this, tablet shows red light and triggers an alarm. Fourth, mask compliance not followed. In this, again the tablet shows red light and triggers an audio message to wear the mask. Fifth, access control integration.
Normal 36.1. Normal 36.5. Please wear a mask. Please wear a mask.
The installation and onboarding of this device is fairly simple. Now let's go through the software and understand how to onboard the device into your system. Once you install the software on your computer, you simply have to open the application and put your credentials and then click on login button. After logging in, you will see the screen on your computer having following options. The first step would be to set up the device, and for that you have to click on device management option and also ensure that the device or the tablet is turned on and it's on the same network as your laptop or your computer. Now click on search button and a pop-up would appear. Again on this pop-up, click on search button, which will enable the software to search the nearby devices or tablets. And when you see your tablet there, just click on add button. This will integrate your tablet with the software. Now that we have connected the tablet with the software, the second step would be to add the employees in the software so that they can be recognized via facial recognition and their logs can be captured on the software. In this, following steps are followed. First, click on Personal Management. Now you will see the screen in front of you. Here, you first have to add the different departments in your organization like sales, tech, finance, marketing, etc. by clicking on the plus button adjacent to the department list. After the department is added, now you need to add employee details into the software by clicking on add button, which will again open a pop-up. In this, you are required to fill all the basic details of the employees like name, gender, DOB, his ID number, etc. After this, the next step would be to register the face of the employee to enable the functionality of facial recognition. There are 3 ways to do it. First, photographs. Second, select from file. And third, register from device. Photographs. The system supports the use of external USB camera to capture the photographs of the employees. In select from files, you can take photos with your camera or mobile phone of the employees and then transfer the photos to the computer, and from computer select the option of select from file so that it can directly import the photos from computer itself. In register from device, the photographs of the employees are directly captured from the tablet itself and then automatically linked to the software. Now after registering the face of the employee, simply click on save and the employee is added. You can repeat the same steps to add more employees. Also, you can add employees in bulk by clicking on import button in the toolbar. When you click on import button, this pop-up opens up. You simply have to download the Excel template by clicking on the download template button. Then open the Excel file and populate the list of employees as shown on the screen. After that, click on open button and locate the file from your computer and upload the same. The last step here is to click on import button and all the employees of the Excel list will be added to the system. After this, the next step would be to map the face of the employee with the tablet so that it can recognize the face using facial recognition technology. Now simply click on face management button on the toolbar. This will open a pop-up. You have to now click on upload face data from computer to device. In this, select the department, select the employee, select the tablet from the device list and click on upload the selected user to complete the process. Now you are done with adding employees and enabling the functionality of facial recognition. As we are done with adding the employees, now let's see the settings of the tablet. On the home page, click on device management. Now click on the parameter button on the left side and you see the screen. As you can see, there are 6 parameters given on the screen. Let's start one by one. So first is network parameter, where you don't have to change anything as regarding the network. Second comes basic parameter, where you have the following options as you see on the screen. You can change the name of the device, facial recognition distance and other details. Third parameter is the callback parameter. Here you have to ensure that the port number is of the device that you are connected to and server IP is of the computer on which the software is running. You can find it in the network settings of your computer. In fourth parameter, that is display parameter, you can customize the screen of the tablet by adding the logo in the background of your organization. Fifth parameter, that is remote operation, gives you features like restarting the device reset, etc. The final parameter, that is the temperature parameter, gives you the functionality to turn on and turn off the features of temperature detection and mass recognition. From here, you can also edit the normal temperature, broadcast of messages when the temperature is more than the permissible limits, or when mass compliance is not followed. On the basis of this, access can also either be approved or denied. So this is all about some of the settings of the device, which are very easy to operate. Now let's go again to the home page and explore the reporting option. For this, you have to click on Record Query. Here on this page, you can see on-screen reports of today, this month, last month, etc. by clicking on the designated buttons. Also, you can select the dates manually for which you want to see the report. It can be seen and exported department-wise as well. So let's see how the screen changes when we click on this month. As you can see, it's showing the report of this month on screen. It can be downloaded as well by clicking on the export button. So the downloaded report looks like this, and that is how the reporting function works.